Welcome to Senior Man 365, where we help man over 60 stay strong, sharp, and full of life without relying on endless prescriptions or risky quick fixes. I'm Dr. Thomas Harlan, and today I want to share something that could be truly life-changing. If you're a man over 60 and you've noticed your energy slipping, your drive weakening, or your circulation just isn't what it used to be, then this one simple food might be the most powerful addition to your daily routine. It can help improve blood flow, protect your heart, support healthy testosterone, and restore the vitality you thought was long gone. And best of all, it does this naturally, no expensive pills required. Now let me start by asking you something. Do you ever get cold hands or feet for no reason? Or maybe you stand up too quickly and feel lightheaded. How about climbing a few stairs and noticing your legs get tired faster than they used to? These might sound like small annoyances, but for many men over 60, they're early warning signs of poor circulation, which means your blood isn't flowing as freely as it should. And when your circulation slows, everything suffers: your heart, your brain, your muscles, and even your intimate performance. So what's the natural solution? What's the one food I recommend to my patients over and over again to help turn this around? It's beets. Yes, humble, earthy, brightly colored beets. Whether you enjoy them roasted, sliced in salads, or as a fresh juice in the morning, beets are one of the most powerful circulation-boosting foods on the planet. 1. How beets improve blood flow naturally. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates. Once you eat them, your body converts these nitrates into a compound called nitric oxide. This is the same molecule your arteries use to relax and widen, letting blood flow more easily. Think of your blood vessels like garden hoses. Over time, they get stiff, maybe some gunk builds up inside, and less water flows through. Nitric oxide is like turning up the water pressure while widening the hose at the same time. Suddenly, everything flows smoothly again. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach every part of your body: your heart, your brain, your muscles, and yes, your private areas too. That's why nitric oxide is sometimes called nature's little blue pill. 2. Why this matters for your heart and brain. When circulation improves, your heart doesn't have to work as hard. This helps keep blood pressure in a healthy range and lowers the long-term risk of heart attacks or strokes. Better blood flow also sharpens your brain. Studies show that people with higher nitric oxide levels process information faster and have better memory. That's because your brain is incredibly hungry for oxygen, and when your circulation is sluggish, your mind is too. 3. How beets support healthy testosterone and endurance. There's another hidden benefit of beets most men overlook. By improving circulation, they help deliver nutrients more efficiently to your hormone-producing glands. This indirectly supports healthy testosterone levels. Plus, better blood flow to your muscles means you'll have more stamina for walks, yard work, or whatever activities you enjoy. Many men over 60 who start adding beets to their daily routine notice they feel less winded climbing stairs and even have an easier time with physical intimacy. 4. The daily beet protocol for lasting energy and vitality. So how can you use this simple food to start feeling like yourself again, maybe even better than you have in years? Here's what I call the daily beet protocol for senior men. Morning. Start your day with a small glass of beetroot juice, about 5 ounces. This gives you a quick, powerful boost of natural nitrates to kickstart blood flow for the day. Lunch or dinner. Add a half cup of roasted or boiled beets to your plate. Sprinkle on a little olive oil and cracked black pepper. The healthy fats help your body absorb even more of the beet's nutrients. Stay consistent. Do this daily, and most men notice changes in just a week or 2 weeks. Warmer hands and feet, clearer thinking, more stable energy, and yes, a noticeable difference in performance where it counts. 5. More powerful benefits, all without pills. Think about it. You're using a simple vegetable from the produce aisle to help open up your arteries, nourish your heart and brain, and restore the kind of vitality that makes you feel decades younger, without popping pills every day. I always tell my patients over 60, don't underestimate the power of what you put on your plate. Food can be your strongest medicine or your slowest poison. Beets happen to be one of nature's best-kept secrets for circulation and male vitality. Let's recap so it sticks. Beets improve circulation by boosting nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels. Better circulation protects your heart and brain, lowers blood pressure, and keeps you sharp. It indirectly supports healthy testosterone by getting nutrients where they need to go. Daily beets mean lasting stamina and performance, helping you feel more like your younger self. 6. A gentle word of caution. If you start eating more beets, don't be alarmed if you notice your urine or stool turning a little pinkish. That's completely normal and harmless. It's simply the natural pigments in beets passing through. And if you're on blood pressure medication, let your doctor know you're adding beets to your diet. They're so effective at improving circulation that you'll want your healthcare provider to monitor for any need to adjust doses. So if you're a man over 60 and you want to improve your blood flow, support your heart and brain, and restore the kind of vitality that makes you feel decades younger without popping pills every day, make beets your new daily habit. Roast them, juice them, add them to salads. Just get them into your diet. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or brother who could also use a circulation boost. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Man 365 for more natural, science-backed ways to keep you strong, sharp, and confident well into your golden years. I'm Dr. Thomas Harlan, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's to your renewed vitality, inside and out.